Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Club Doodle.
Let's give a big hand to our host with the most, everyone's favorite canine, Cookie.
And tonight, direct from their world tour, singing their hit song, 1, 2, Buckle My Shoe, please welcome the Mousy Sisters.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Buck, 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 buck.
11, 12, ring the bell. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids in waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty.
Oh no! One of the Mousy Sisters fell off the stage.
Are you okay, Miss Mousy?
I'm fine, but I think I might have to sit these next verses out.
What are we gonna do, Noodle? We promised our audience all 3 Mousy Sisters tonight.
Don't worry, Doodle. It's Noodle to the rescue.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Buck, 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 buck.
11, 12, ring the bell. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty.
I'm back.
But I was having so much fun.
Then let's all sing.
1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, open the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, lay them straight. 9, 10, a big fat hen.
Buck, 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 buck.
11, 12, ring the bell. 13, 14, maids a courting. 15, 16, maids in the kitchen. 17, 18, maids a waiting. 19, 20, my plate is empty.
Let's hear it for the Mousy Sisters.
And let's hear it for the Mousy Brothers. Hey, Doodle, I kinda like this showbiz stuff. I think I'm gonna start my own act.
That's awesome, Noodle.
See you guys.
Where you going?
To buy some more wigs, of course.
To see the latest videos in this series, visit gimbal.com. And make sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can also download the free app now available on iTunes and Google Play.